Variables are containers for storing data values. They are used to store information that can be referenced and manipulated in a program. Variables can be declared using the keyword where, let, and constant. There are three types of variable declaration: variable, let, constant. Where declares a variable with function scope or global scope if outside a function. Let declares a block scoped variable. Constant declare a block scoped constant. Its value cannot be changed. And here there is a syntax where variable name equal to value, let variable name equal to value, constant variable name equal to value. Example, um, where name equal to Anu, let age equal to 25, constant city equal to New York. Console.log name, console.log age, console.log city. And here is the output Anu 25 New York. And next, the concept is arrays. Arrays is a data structure that can store multiple values in a single variable. Arrays are zero indexed, meaning the first element is accessed with index 0. Array elements. There are four array elements: push, pop, shift, and unshift. First, push adds an element to the end of the array. Pop removes the last element from the array. Shift removes the first element from the array. And unshift adds an element to the beginning of the array. And here it is an syntax: let array name equal to element 1, element 2, element 3. Example, let fruits equal to apple, banana, orange. Let console.log fruits, console.log fruits length, fruits.push grapes, console.log fruits, fruits.pop grapes, console.log fruits. Here it is an example. And the output is apple 3, apple, banana, orange, grapes, apple, banana, orange. And the next concept is functions. Functions are block of code designed to perform a specific task. Functions can be invoked or called when needed, allowing code to be reusable. There are three types of functions: function declaration, function expression, and arrow function. And first one is function declaration, a function with a name that can be invoked later. Function expression, a function without a name typically assigned to a variable. And arrow function, they provide a shorter syntax and lexical this binding. And here it is the syntax: function, function name, parameters, constant, function name equal to function parameters, constant, function name equal to parameters equal to greater than. And here it is an example. Here we can use greet. Greet is the function name and name is the parameter allowing input into the function. And here return sends back a result from the function. The function is called with Anu as an argument. Here add. Add is a variable that holds a function which adds two numbers. And here it is an output: hello Anu and 8. And the next concept is objects. Objects are collection of properties where a property is an association between a name and a value. Objects are a core part of JavaScript and allows you to store and manipulate data in an organized way. And here it is an syntax: let object name equal to key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3. And here it is an example. Here we can use the properties brand, model, year are the properties that store value in the car object. And method get car info is function that belongs to the car object. This keyword in the get car info method. This refers to the current object car and allows access to its properties. And we can print the output. We can see Toyota Fortuner 2020. And the next concept is loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly based on the condition. There are several types of loops. And first one is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop, repeats code block a set number of times. It's useful when you know beforehand how many times the loop should run. And here it is a syntax for initialization condition increment. Example, for let I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Console.log I. Here we can see that output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And next, while loop. Repeat code a set number of times. Repeat code block while a condition is true. And here it is an syntax. While condition. Here it is an example, let I equal to 0 while I less than 5. Console.log I plus plus. We can see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is do while loop. It is similar to the while loop. Execute code block at least once, then repeats if condition is true. And here it is an syntax, do while condition. Example, let I equal to 0, do console.log I plus plus while I less than 5. And here we can see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.